Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use KLARNA'S credit limits. So let's get straight into the video. So first off, setting up your credit limits. First thing to do is to log into your KLARNA account on the website, or you can do so on the mobile app. And then you want to check your eligibility. So KLARNA will assess your credit worthiness and provide a credit limit if you are eligible. And then you just gotta accept the credit limits. You need to review and accept the terms and conditions of your credit limits, and that's going to help you set up your credit limits. Now when it comes to using your credit limits, you can use that to make purchases. So you can use your credit limit to make purchases at participating merchants online or in store. And then you could also check your available credit. So you can log into your KLARNA account to check your available credit balance. And then you could also make payments. So you can make payments towards your credit balance by the due date to avoid interest charges. So when it comes to managing your credit limit, of course, you can monitor your credit utilization. So that will help you. You can keep an eye out on your credit utilization ratio to avoid negatively impacting your credit scores. Also, you can adjust your credit limits whenever you want. You can just request to adjust your credit limit through KLARNA'S customer support team, and they will help you sort that out. And you could also pay off your balances. So you can pay off your credit balances in full each month, and that's going to help you to avoid interest charges. So a couple of things to note about KLARNA'S credit limit features. Now the first is flexible credit limits. So you get a credit limit that adjusts based on your purchasing behavior and your credit worthiness. And of course, the second is interest-free payments. So you make interest-free payments if you pay off your balance in full each month, and if you do so on time. Of course, the third is credit score tracking. So you can monitor your credit score and track changes over a period of time. And also payment reminders. So you're gonna receive payment reminders to help you stay on top of your payment. That's gonna help you pay on time, so you don't end up having to pay extra based on interest free. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found that information useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.